Hello everybody, thanks for watching. This is well priced at €9,999. It's well worth the money, well worth doing up. Beautiful views. I'll let Joanna tell you the rest.
Hello, good day. I'm Joanna and I am today in village Zahary Stoyanovo, and I like to present you that lovely big house which need a work with a nice views surround hillside village with a beautiful views around. I will try to show you, but it's shame because it's foggy and you can't see this nice hill up there. Probably we will have a better view from the balcony. I will show you in a minute. This house is for sale with a garden about 1,000 or more of 1,000 square meter. You can read more details into the description regarding the size of the land. The house needs work because no one are using for very long time. The water and electricity are stopped for safety, and you can see it. Here is even nature, mushrooms everywhere. Now is the season for the autumn type mushrooms. Come we go take a see. You see this, probably you hearing this noise around. Did you hear it? Hopefully you hear. This is usually in the villages always pass some van, depend what season is, and there are people who buying a scrap or buying a walnut or old plastics or old stuff which no one wanting to use anymore, and that is the noise around at the moment. I'm up into the balcony. You can see the view. It's a shame because it's foggy, but it's really beautiful. I'm going to show you upstairs. How I told you, the house needs work, have a leaks, just because no one are maintaining the roof. You can see up there was have a few broken tiles which they've been fixed, but before they've been fixed, they are damaged a part of the ceiling. Of course, all this is possible to be fixed. On the main floor, when you come up, you have a large corridor and 3 rooms, nice big sizes. You can see it. It's shame I can't show you the nice views from the windows because they are so dirty. But maybe you can see it from here. It's a beautiful, beautiful view around. The village is nice. Have a one small shop. You have a nice, friendly locals. A few expats, not many. And the house is big. Need lots of love and work to be done. But can come a really a nice home for someone here in Bulgaria. And of course the property is very cheap. No more cheap houses left. And this is the last room upstairs. Can I see it? The windows are open. No one maintained the house for many years. Look at all these beautiful surround and all these nice hills. The corridor is large and it's easy from the end of this frame of the door to you can create a bathroom and a toilet for yourself. It's so quiet. You can hear even the planes when they pass Look at that beautiful, beautiful view surround. That's really nice. Come, I show you inside. I am upstairs at the moment on the balcony, and you have a very large corridor, which you can split on two and create a bathroom, where is the end of this green frame on the door. Here you have a leak, you cannot see it alone, just because a few tiles are broke and no one take care of. They are damaged the ceiling and need a work. Look at that view, even from here I cannot see it. Yeah, the house need work, the roof need to be maintained, the structure of the roof is still okay. You have a nice views around, but I cannot show you very well from the bedrooms because it's very dirty windows, but I can show you from here. It's beautiful. Yeah, the house has some cracks, normal because it's very old and no one maintained for very long time. And upstairs you have a three nice large bedrooms, or again you can name the rooms how you wish. Look at that beautiful view. The village Zahary Stoyanovo is 20-25 minutes away from Popovo town, and is our way to Ruse. The village is nice, very friendly. One small shop over there. Only are 4 families, foreigners, expats. It's nice and quiet if you decide to start a new life in Bulgaria. You sort alone, the property needs work and maintaining, and I'm going to show you now downstairs so you can see it. Have a nice size garden, nice views and a good balcony. I'm going to show you now the ground floor. We start from upstairs. You can see usually the house is strong, solid, built from bricks and stones. The owner in the past was using more for storage for his animals. For this inside is full with lots of straws and storage for tires, for other parts. Downstairs is exactly the same. You have 3 rooms. You can see they are really full with lots of junk and big spider webs. You can see it. The Bulgarians said if the spider web been built and have spiders in one house, that means the house is nice for living. They find a good place for themselves. Here we have one more room, and again you see it's always poorly condition, need work, need lot of cleaning, tidy, but it's a nice size property. You can see it with 6 rooms and 2 large, big. The garden is big. I will try to take a walk, but it's like a jungle at the moment. You can see there on the back another nice views, lovely hills. But here, forever who decide to buy the property will have lots of wood for wood burning. At the moment look like you have a little tiny field to walk, tiny path. This way, look at. But it's nice big place. It's not small. It's beautiful surround. I will try to take a more better pictures. Hope it's possible because the fog is still here and it's no very nice regard the views which I like to show you. That house have a really very interesting stairs which bring you up and down on two different ways. I will try to show you because this is not typical. You can see you can come down of this side to downstairs, or if you want you can get up and go down on this side on the front of the house, where is the little garden. Of course at the moment is very not tidy, but you can see have a path. Actually if someone clean it, you can see a nice path around the property on the front. And yeah, you can see the house need lots of love, but it's a good job for someone who like to start a new project in Bulgaria regard renovation. Okay, this is from me for today, from village Zahary Stoyanovo. If you like this property, please contact us and we are happy to show to you. Actually on the front of the house have a nice road which bring you, and it's good for the winter, and you can have a easy access into the road. You have a nice neighbors. The village is nice and safety. You can sleep on unlocked doors, and yes, nice. Here you can see part of the views, but again it's very foggy. And there is the house. If you have an interest and you like to visit, contact us and we bring you to see this amazing place with lovely views. Have a good day. I was just want to add a little video from the side of the street opposite of the house which you look at. This is the view, and it's a really beautiful place. Of course this garden is not part of this property, it's somebody else's property, but you can see it where the house is there up, and I am walking on the side of the street with this incredible view of the hills of village Zahary Stoyanovo. This is from the other side on the street of the house, better view. I just stopped to kind show you all this beautiful surround into going into the village Zahary Stoyanovo, where is that nice property for sale. It's a beautiful surround everywhere. This way is Sadina way, and this way is Zahary Stoyanovo, which is just 5 kilometers away from Sadina.